Make sure your kitchens are always beautifully illuminated with the new low-profile LED under-cabinet puck lights from PLT, sold exclusively at 1000 Bulbs. With their compact design, these LED puck lights are practically invisible when installed, giving you the perfect option to add discreet lighting anywhere. These puck lights are available in two styles, ultra-thin and mini. The ultra-thin puck lights can be surface or recess mounted and measure 3 inches in diameter. Each ultra-thin puck is constructed from 3 parts, the mounting bracket, the trim, and the light. Each part snaps together with integrated magnets. Mini LED puck lights, designed specifically for recessed installation, are smaller and look like miniature downlights. They are small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, but don't let their size fool you. These tiny lights deliver incredibly bright light in a small, discreet package. Both the ultra-thin and mini LED puck lights plug into a 6-port hub, which is then connected to either a plug-in adapter or hardwire standard track dimming driver. The plug-in adapter can power up to 5 ultra-thin LED puck lights or 9 mini LED puck lights. The track dimming driver can power up to 6 ultra-thin lights or 12 mini lights. All of these LED puck lights emit a 3000 Kelvin light, are ETL rated for damp locations, and are available with white or black finishes. Use them to light a wide range of locations including under and over cabinets, display cases, and shelves. Find these and other LED light fixtures by calling 855-948-5079 or shopping at 1000bulbs.com. 1000 Bulbs, changing the way the world buys lighting.